Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download a tab dataset file from the UK Data Service website and open it using Excel for further analysis. To begin, our first step is to find an open dataset for our demonstration. So I will head over to the UK Data Service website and look for the data catalog. Once I'm in the data catalog, I will search for a labor force survey open dataset. So in the data catalog, go to the search bar, type LFS. On the left-hand sidebar in the filter panel here, I select the open access level. That gives us four options. I will just choose the first one, the quarterly labor force survey for January to March 2015. Once I have selected the dataset, you can see on the left-hand sidebar that there are several download options available. We have SPSS, Stata, and tab formats. For this tutorial, I will go ahead and choose the tab format. Once I click on tab format, it downloads the dataset and its documentation as a zipped file onto my computer. The next step is to go to the downloads and open the zip file in order to extract its content. This is because most software cannot access files in a zipped folder. Inside, we are looking for this dataset file with a tab extension. You can copy its folder and extract it in any location that works for you. For this demonstration, I will simply keep the folder in my downloads and rename it LFS 2015. Now that the dataset is ready, I will open Excel and start with a blank workbook. I will go to the Data tab and then select Get Data. Then hover on From File and choose the file type, which is from text or CSV. You can also use this button here, which is a shortcut for Get Data from text or CSV. So let's click on it. This opens your computer's file explorer. From here, navigate to the folder where you saved the dataset. Now, notice that at first it might look like the folder is empty, but that's just because Excel is filtering for specific file types. All you need to do is change the filter to all files, and you can now see the tab file. I will select it and click import. This opens a preview window where I can quickly review the data and make changes if needed. In most cases, there is nothing I need to change here. Since everything looks good, I will go ahead and click load, and Excel will bring the dataset into the worksheet. So that's it. The dataset is now open in Excel. I can scroll through the variables, the observations. I can check how many individuals this dataset contains. From this point, I can run any statistical analysis that Excel allows. Finally, remember to save the file as an Excel workbook by going to the File tab, then Save As. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Now, you should be able to download a tab dataset and open it in Excel for statistical analysis. Thank you for watching and see you next time.